Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we have an essential accessory for all you GoPro enthusiasts out there. We're talking about the Amazon Basics small carrying case for GoPro and accessories. This little powerhouse is a must-have for anyone who wants to keep their GoPro gear safe, organized, and ready for action. Stick around as we dive deep into the features and benefits of this fantastic travel case. Let's kick things off by taking a closer look at the key features of the Amazon Basics small carrying case. This case measures 9 by 7 by 2.5 inches. It's compact enough to fit in your backpack, yet sturdy enough to withstand the rigors of your adventures. The case is designed to accommodate all GoPro cameras, including HER06, Hero 5 Black, Hero 5 Session, HER04 Black, HER04 Silver, and Hero Session. Inside, you'll find pre-cut foam slots that are tailor-made to hold your GoPro and its accessories securely in place. No more fumbling around looking for your gear. It features a durable zipper and a convenient carry handle, ensuring your equipment is protected and easy to transport. So, why do you need this GoPro travel case? Well, it's perfect for a variety of situations. Whether you're hitting the slopes, catching waves, or exploring new cities, this case will keep your GoPro gear safe and organized during your travels. When you're not out on an adventure, use this case to store your GoPro and accessories, keeping them in pristine condition until your next outing. The foam padding and sturdy construction will shield your GoPro from accidental drops, bumps, and scratches. Let's talk user experience. People who've purchased this case have been extremely satisfied. They love how it keeps everything organized and how the foam slots provide a snug fit for their gear. One customer mentioned, "Perfect small case for the GoPro and necessary accessories. I actually cut the foam to fit my needs. Holds the GoPro, double battery charger, cables, and power bank." If you want to enhance your GoPro experience even further, you can consider adding some accessories like the Amazon Basics large DSLR gadget bag, camera backpack, or even an aluminum light photography tripod stand with case, all of which are available for purchase separately. Now, let's talk about the price. You'll be thrilled to know that this Amazon Basics GoPro case won't break the bank. It's incredibly affordable, offering fantastic value for the quality and functionality it provides. In conclusion, the Amazon Basics small carrying case for GoPro and accessories is undoubtedly the best GoPro travel case available in the market. It's built to last, compatible with a range of GoPro models, and will keep your gear safe and organized, whether you're on the go or in storage. If you're a GoPro enthusiast, this case is a game changer. So, don't miss out on the opportunity to take your GoPro adventures to the next level with this essential accessory. That's it for today's product review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and be sure to subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. If you have any questions or want to share your thoughts on this GoPro case, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time, stay adventurous, and keep capturing those epic moments with your GoPro.